start or grow a business that makes you a lot of money, focus on avoiding these two most common mistakes internet entrepreneurs make. Mistake number one, avoid making the mistake of starting a business based on your passion. All right, when you come online, you're told
to find something you're passionate about and then document the journey, and magically the money will start falling from the sky.
that is absolute. All right, the single most important thing when it comes to creating profit in your business is choosing the right market. You need the right market with a pain that people are willing to pay for a product in order to get away from that pain. Without the right market, literally nothing else matters. And step two, choose the right business model that A, will give you maximum margins where you can create a lot of revenue without a lot of expenses, and B, which plays to your strengths. If you want to know what your strengths are, check out the Wealth Dynamics profile in order to find out what your strong suit is, and then choose a business model that gives you maximum profit, which also plays to your strengths at the same time in the right market, and absolutely crush it.